Christina, thank you for joining me here today to talk about why it's a good idea to periodically check your wage withholdings. There's been a lot in the news recently suggesting that employees should check their withholdings as a result of the recent tax reform. Can you tell me a little bit about why this is necessary and whether this applies to all employees?
So with the tax reform, tax rates changed, and as a result, the IRS came out with updated withholding tables. So yes, I would say all employees should do a withholding checkup, but in particular, people in situations with dual income earners, people who are working part-time, people who have multiple jobs, if you were previously itemizing on your tax return, or if you have complex tax situations, it's going to be especially important for you to do the checkup and make sure you have time to make any corrections if necessary.
How do I check my withholding?
You can go to the IRS website at irs.gov and use their withholding calculator. You're going to need to enter some information from your most recent pay stubs, as well as answer a few questions related to your prior year tax filing, and that will generate a report for you that will make recommendations on any corrections needed.
Should I be concerned about entering my personal information online?
No, you do not need to enter any personal information such as your name or social security number to use the calculator.
And what are the tax consequences of not doing a checkup?
You run the risk of either having a large refund at the end of the year or a large tax bill at the end of the year. And either situation is not ideal. In the case of a refund, that would be money that you could have had in your pocket throughout the year. In the case of a large balance due, you could be subject to additional penalties.
Does this apply to state withholding as well?
The act is a federal-only change, so it will not impact your state taxes or that withholding.
Now, I've done the withholding checkup and I've determined that adjustments are necessary. What would be the next steps?
You're going to want to complete an updated Form W-4 and hand that into your employer, either the HR or payroll department, and they will correct your withholdings going forward.
Thanks, Christina. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact our office. Thank you.